He's actually very interested in
Levi, are you standing up? What are you doing? Are you swinging? Hey, buddy, good morning. Wow, you got your cool new swing jumper up? That is so cool. Are you spinning around? Yeah, I like it. It's just the right size for you. Are you jumping? Cool. Levi, Levi. Hey there, buddy. Hello. Hey, sweet boy. Where you go? That is funny. Hey, what you doing? You chilling? If you want to, you could stand up and you would be very tall. He can really walk all around.
her.
Are you doing the river dance? Smooth. Hi, buddy. Good morning, Levi. Say, wow, you're such a big boy. Such a big boy. Gonna spin around? No. You just growing up so fast. Yeah. I'm growing up so fast. Where's Levi? Peekaboo. You're hiding from me, buddy. It's your first time in the jumper. You like it. Oh, you're twisting yourself all around. Wow, you're very good at that. There's your big sister. Hi, you see? Are you gonna help Levi jump?
I'm gonna help him jump.
Oh, we have to just watch him. We just watch him.
I
We
just had to
we
watch-
just watch him and make sure he's safe.
I'm helping him.
No, this one we don't help, honey.
Maybe I can help it.